There is water standing in your kitchen sink right now, or there was yesterday. That smell drifting up from the drain, the water just sitting there, going nowhere. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you are already thinking about calling a plumber and what that is going to cost you. Put the phone down. What I am going to show you today costs less than $5, takes 15 minutes, and works better than anything a plumber is going to pour down that drain when he gets there. My name is Dorothy Me Finch. I am 74 years old. I have kept house and kept a kitchen running my whole life, and I have never once paid a plumber to unclog a drain, not once, because my mother showed me something when I was young that I have never forgot and never needed to go beyond. Before I tell you what it is, let me tell you what is actually sitting inside your pipe, because understanding that changes everything. Your kitchen drain does not clog the way most people think. It is not one big thing that fell in and got stuck. It is months of invisible grease coating the inside walls of that pipe every time you rinsed a pan or washed a plate. Grease holding food, food catching more grease, layer after layer getting thicker and tighter until what you have now is a dense plug built right into the walls of the pipe. Not sitting loose waiting to be flushed. Built in. That is why hot water does almost nothing. That is why dish soap poured down the drain does almost nothing. You are running water over the outside of the problem, not reaching it. What breaks that plug is chemistry, 3 things working together in the right order, things you either already have or can get for a few dollars at any grocery store. The first is baking soda, 2 teaspoons poured directly down the drain. Baking soda is alkaline. It begins breaking down the grease coating on the pipe walls the moment it makes contact, neutralizing the oils and loosening the grip that grease has had in there for months. But baking soda alone is too gentle to shift a plug that has been building since last winter, so we give it a partner. The second thing is a dish degreaser, the kind sitting by your sink right now. Pour 3 tablespoons straight down the drain on top of the baking soda. This is where the real work begins. Degreaser dissolves grease and oil at the molecular level, breaking down the very substance holding your clog together. Where the baking soda loosens the grip, the degreaser dissolves the plug itself. Let those two sit together in the drain for 3 full minutes. No water, no adding anything else. Just let them work quietly while you put the kettle on. Now the third thing, the one that finishes the job and makes the other 2 far more powerful. Take 200 milliliters of warm water, not boiling, not cold, and stir in 1 teaspoon of citric acid. Plain citric acid from the baking aisle. Costs almost nothing and lasts forever in a dry jar. Stir until fully dissolved and pour it slowly down the drain. That citric acid hits the baking soda already sitting in the pipe and reacts immediately. It foams, quietly but powerfully, fizzing through the loosened grease and food residue, getting into every crack and corner of that plug, breaking down what is left and pulling it away from the pipe walls. Give it 5 full minutes, let the chemistry finish what you started. Then close the drain and fill your sink with the hottest water your tap runs all the way up, then open the drain and step back. That full sink pressing down all at once flushes everything the baking soda, degreaser, and citric acid have loosened right out of the pipe. You will hear it, that rushing gurgle of water moving the way it is supposed to move. And that drain smell that has been drifting up into your kitchen goes with it. If the clog is a stubborn one, do the whole thing twice in the same session. The first round breaks through. The second clears what is left. Even the worst kitchen drains give up by the second round. And once it is clear, keep it clear with almost no effort. Once a week, pour a kettle of hot water down the drain. Once a month, a pinch of baking soda and citric acid in warm water. 30 seconds. It never lets the grease get a foothold again. Now I will tell you the one thing the plumber would tell you if he was being honest instead of billing you. Most kitchen clogs are grease. Pure and simple. And grease is dissolved by chemistry, not by mechanical force, not by expensive drain cleaner in a bright bottle, and not by a man with a snake and an hourly rate. The chemistry costs $5, and it has been in your grocery store your entire life. The only reason you did not know to use it this way is that nobody showed you, and nobody showed You because nobody profits when you solve this yourself for $5 and never call anybody. Now you. No. Baking soda first, degreaser second, citric acid in warm water third. 5 minutes, full sink of hot water, done. And if it works for you, show one person who does not know, a daughter in her first apartment, a neighbor about. To spend $200 on a plumber for something $5 and 15 minutes could fix. That is exactly how the right knowledge stays alive, in a kitchen. From one pair of hands to the next. God bless you all, and mind that hot water.